Alright everybody, we're working on a little project here in the shop today. We got a 49 Chevy 5-window pickup. It's been sitting a long time. It does run, however the gears were stuck in first. So we pulled the trans and did a little bit of canoodling. We got it to shift, adjusting the linkage a little bit. And we're going to probably try and fire it up now and see if it'll drive through all the gears, reverse and all, because all we had was first gear. It's on all original, 89,000 miles. Survivor. There's very little rust, other than a little cosmetic there, just a little in the bed and up in the front fender area. Not too bad though. So here's the original trans. Well, the original trans is still in the truck. We got this as a spare. We thought we were gonna have to swap it out, but one of the problems was under this cover here. Go ahead, you take over, because I don't know.
Yeah, this is what, if you ever get one of these trucks that jammed in gear, this is all that's usually wrong with them. So if you look down in here, this mechanism is supposed to slide these gears forward and backward, and that's for reverse and forward, first gear. And this other gear here is high speed and second gear, okay? And what happens is, this bar, as you can see, is worn away. They grab the gears, they're these forks. Anyway, this one's worn away, and what happens is it'll pop out of off of this rim. And so what you can do as a quick fix is you can flip this over, and this part isn't worn, and you can get by for a little while. But what we did, we had a spare transmission, so we just replaced the whole cover, and that's going to hopefully solve the problem.
So we'll next video I'll fire it up, and Dave will back it out because he knows how to drive the 3 on the tree.